All right, here we go with the single note picking, working, continuing to work on ascending the strings after upstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that sounds better. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bad. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Alright, 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, one more time, make sure I get 4 repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3. Yeah. Alright, the finger tapping. So going back and forth between the two patterns we have done. Tap, pull, hammer, keep the pinky there. Tap, pull, pull. So the first beat, everything highlighted, that sets your hand up for the second beat, which sets your hand up for the third beat, which sets your hand up for the fourth beat. All right, back down to 60. One, two, three, four. One 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong note. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 80. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, bends. Time for the bends. I will scroll through this as I go. Here we go, there's the top. Alright, so just to explain, what's happening here. So, We pick that note, then we bend. While that note is bent, or that string is bent, we pick the B string. So remember to start with both fingers, well, 3 fingers down. So these 2 on the G, index finger on the B. So we pick that note, then we bend it, then we pick the B string, pick the G string again, then release it, and then move your index finger behind, or basically behind your ring finger, so you can pull off to the 17th fret there. And then we play the same thing 2 more times. So pick the G string, bend the G string, keep it up, pick the B string, pick the G string again while it's still bent, then you release the bend, pull off. Same idea when you get up to the top 2 strings. Just going to have a bit more of a stretch. All right, so we're going to use blues style backing track this time. Got a 3/4 feel to it, like a 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, which fits this very well. You could also count it like a triplet feels, like a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and which is what we're doing here. So I'll send the link for this as well. If for some reason I forget, I don't know if I've given this one to you yet, but it's called Slow Rock Blues Backing Track in A minor. And the YouTube channel is either the Dino Dog 1 or the Dino Dog 1. I don't know. Just here. Oh, why didn't it show? Hang on. Wait. This to that. So yeah, you'll see this. There you go. Slow blues backing track in A minor. Slow rock blues backing track in A minor. Yeah, the Dino Dog 1 or Dino Dog 1. I don't know. Anyway. Alright. From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, I'm going to start again. 3, 4. Oh, I screwed up. Wrong note. Alright, let me scroll down for the second half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was that final bend there. So yeah, the very last bend, set it up pretty much the same way you do that guy. Just bar your index finger down across the E and the B string. So you can hit that. Pick all 3 strings individually, make sure everything's ringing out. There we go. Alright, any questions come up, let me know. Yeah, with the scale memorization stuff, it is a little bit at a time. So, pointers, practice pointers. So you already know how to play that because you showed that today in the video. So as far as like practicing stuff, memorizing it, doing a bar into the next bar, at least the very first note's a good idea. But what might be better is do a line at a time and then move into that first note of the next bar. Start that note with the index finger, even when you're just doing memorizing only the highlighted portion. Make sure you start this with your index finger because that's what you're going to use when you play the next line anyway. So just memorize, little pieces at a time. When you can play that much from memory, then you can try just doing that much from memory and then memorizing that much and then the ending. Maybe like half, or you can do those 2 lines, the middle 2 lines, that's a good idea as well, then the last 2 lines, and then once you got all that memorized, probably good to go for the whole thing. But yeah, you do not have to have this memorized by next week. Take your time with it, and now I think we're done. Alright, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.